Solve for x. 3 power x power 2 is equal to 27 power x. First of all, we can make this expression to have common base of 3 on both sides. Then we apply the rule a power m into bracket power n is equal to a power m times n. So now we can rewrite this expression as a 3 power x power 2 is equal to 27 is equal to 3 power 3 into bracket power x. This is giving us a 3 power x power 2, which is equal to 3 power 3 times x, 3 times x, m times n is mn. 3 times 3 power 3 times x is 3 power 3x. Applying this rule, now you can see that we are having a common base 3, common base 3. Therefore, we can equate the exponents. X squared is equal to 3x. We can bring 3x this other side. X squared minus 3x is equal to 0. X is common here, x is common here. We can factor out x. X into bracket x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 and x minus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0. We can take minus 3 this other side, it becomes positive. X is equal to 0 plus 3. X is equal to 3. Therefore, our final answer here is x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3. Thank you for watching.